I pray God to wish him long life and good health. What more than that? Thank you very much. My God is always great.
I think it's a wonderful moment for him, and I'm glad that I'm here to be a part of the celebration. I mean, one's always been a huge fan of his work, but personally, I'm a bigger fan of the person that he is. The way he's always carried himself with so much dignity and honesty, and just the way he's carried himself. I think that for me, as a youngster, is a huge inspiration. I can't talk about any of that. मैं अंदर जाके उनको personally wish करूँगी.
And of course, the first everlasting memories on the first day I worked with him. The movie didn't get made, but I just remember that day very well. I think one can only wish him happiness. I mean, he has everything else and he has happiness too, but I would like to wish him that forever and ever.
It's been a terrific innings and may he have 100 more. जी हाँ, उनके साथ फिल्म में काम करने का भी मौका हुआ है, लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा उनके काम को सराहा है और बेहद खुशी की बात है कि आज उनका जन्मदिन इतने ग्रैंडली मनाया जा रहा है. अमिताभ बच्चन इज़ एन आइकॉनिक फिगर नॉट ओनली फॉर इंडिया फॉर द वर्ल्ड एंड वी आर वेरी प्राउड. बहुत लंबा चौड़ा डायलॉग है दीवार का, तुम्हारे पास बंगला है गाड़ी. That I would say would be an iconic. And also my name is Anthony Gonsalves.
वो चुनेंग मुझे याद है, मेरे ख्याल से मेरी मुलाकात अमिताभ बच्चन से हुई थी 1971 में. कितना हो गया, 43 साल पहले शायद. चुनेंग नाए विश हिम मोर पार्क. अरे कितने हैं, हम लोगों ने तो 14-15 पिक्चरों में साथ काम किया है. और राइटर जो होते हैं वो बड़ी शिकायतें करते रहते हैं. देखो हमने क्या लिखा था, कैसे बोल दिया. इतनी फिल्मों में मुझे अमिताभ बच्चन से एक डायलॉग की भी शिकायत नहीं है. देखो अच्छा नहीं बोला. Impeccable performance in every film.
And it's great and fantastic to be here, to be able to wish him personally. Many millions of people of our country want to be here today, and it's just great to be here personally to wish him. काफी सारी है. I've done a whole world tour with them, so it's been great during that time. It's been just great knowing the man, the star, the legend. Lots of them, really lots of them, but you'd rather keep it for listening from him only.
He's fashionable, stylish, fantastic. I mean, I'm too small to say anything here, and I'll just speak about style. He's the most incredible, the most stylish actor we've ever had. It's a party for all of us.
Well, definitely Kajare. It's a fun occasion. Basically, he sung that song with us. I mean, he was in the song. It's beautiful. Kajare, tere kare
I would just like to say, sir, wish you a very happy birthday. We are huge fans of yours and hope to and wish to see you in many more films to come. इसमें तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. नाम है शहंशाह.
मैं जी अमित जी को शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगा. उनकी 17वीं वर्षगांठ पर उनकी दीर्घ आयु हो, लंबी उम्र हो. वो हमारी भारतीय चित्रकला के नगीन हीरे हैं और हिरण्य आभूषण हैं.
I wish he keeps acting forever, another 100-200 years. All, I mean, anything, any moment in front of him is a fond memory.
I think it's the 71st birthday. It took so much time to come here. I thought probably he'll end up on his 71st birthday. And I think it's a fantastic moment for all of us. We are also proud to have this amazing gentleman who's now turned 70, has ruled the industry for more than 40 years. He's one of the rarest, finest gentlemen, one of the best actors in the world. So we are all very proud to, privileged and honored to have him amongst us. जिसने आज तक तुम्हारी मंदिर की सीढ़ियाँ नहीं चढ़ी, जिसने आज तक तुम्हारे सामने सर नहीं झुकाया, आज वो तुम्हारे सामने हाथ फैलाए खड़ा है. बहुत खुश हो गए कि मैं हार गया. वो औरत जिसके माथे से तुम्हारी मंदिर का चौखट गिर गया। वो औरत जो खुद जलती रही मगर तुम्हारे मंदिर में हमेशा दीप जलाती रही, वो औरत आज तुम्हारे सामने हाथ फैलाए खड़ी है और ये तुम्हारी हार है। हाँ, ये तुम्हारी हार। क्या गुनाह है उसका? कौन सा जुर्म किया है उसने? क्या उसका जुर्म ये है कि वो मेरी माँ है? क्या उसका जुर्म ये है कि मैं उससे प्यार करता हूँ? मैंने आज तक तुमसे कुछ नहीं मांगा, लेकिन आज मांगता हूँ। मेरे गुनाहों की सज़ा मेरी माँ को मत दो।